Put a grade checker on your machine and extend the benefits of your current laser. Spectra Precision LR receivers are simple to use. Just install, benchmark, and get to work. It's that easy. They require no extra training and work the same as traditional laser receivers. LR receivers make inexperienced operators productive quickly. The units are versatile and can easily be moved from one machine to another. By checking grade from the safety of the cab, LRs keep you away from trenches and others away from machinery. Like all Spectra Precision products, they're built for extreme job sites. LR receivers typically pay for themselves in less than 6 weeks. In total, productivity is increased by 30%. Extend the beam with Spectra Precision LR receivers.